Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I received, again, I don't know why, and I know I keep saying it, I have looked into it. I'm getting 2 glossy boxes. I don't know. Am I getting charged? I don't see 2 charges. So I'm just like, okay, going with the flow. So I usually give a lot to my daughter. And then I put it in giveaways or give it to my sister or, you know. Anyways, I wanted to open the boxes with you because I got them today and I'm super excited. Glossybox is $21 a month. It is a monthly like BoxyCharm, and this one is more based on like beauty needs, such as serums, maybe some primers, stuff like that. Unlike BoxyCharm is more makeup. So if you like to get a lot of beauty products, and they are like middle end to high end products, you'll like Glossybox. If you like just makeup, which is fine, you like BoxyCharm. Me, I like both. I mean, I'm getting older, so I gotta take care of my skin, which is like step number 1 before you do your makeup. So this is phenomenal. I have never been disappointed, and they do put makeup products in here. I've gotten lipsticks and stuff like that. Here comes the little box inside. Their packaging is just too cute. Super, super cute. So we'll just take out this box, and then we will open this one. Let me wrap it up like that. Undo this. Beautifully Fit Cyber Robics Glossybox. Beautifully Fit exclusively for Glossybox. Follow the 6 weeks Glossybox program on Cyber Robots and this nutrition guide for a healthier, happier you. Interesting. So, oh, it's a promo code for Cyber Robics, sorry. Anyway, so I guess you could go maybe online for something like that. Kind of cool. I used to do Taebo every morning and walk 2 miles. Super fit. Cyber Robics is just out of the question. I have a treadmill that I can't even use right now because my feet hurt so freaking bad. So, look good, feel great. Let's see, we wanted to officially welcome you to spring with a box that celebrates beauty from the inside out. We all know that when we look good, we feel good. And to amplify your natural beauty, we have supplied you with a collection of restorative products that will quite literally make you radiate from within. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh wow, so you open it up. This is like in BoxyCharm. This gives you an overall look of what you have and then the price as well. So then I'm going to leave that on the side. I'm going to open this up. And then here's the inside. So we have La Roche, if I say it wrong, pardon me. La Roche-Posay Effaclar, my goodness, this must be French. Towelettes, oil-free face wipes. Oh, okay, and these full size, $9.99, 25 towelettes. So there's 10 in here, so this is not the full size. So you get like 3 or 4 full size and then 1 like half. Clarifying oil-free cleansing cloths, dermatologist tested for sensitive skin. Oh. Micro exfoliating. This is really good for sensitive skin. I might give these to my sister because she has really, really sensitive skin. Me, not so much, so I might give that to her. And that retailed for $9.99. Okay, that was for the full size. That's only the half. Rituals Foaming Shower Gel. Full size, 6.7 ounces. This is not a full size. This is 1.6 ounces. And the full size retails for $15. So this is like a medium. And it is bringing peace and tranquility into your life. Balancing foaming shower gel. Ooh, I'm going to try that. I wonder if it smells good. Should we try it out? I don't know how fast it'll come out. Let's just see. But, ooh. That don't look good. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, it smells really good. Kind of messy though. Well, I guess if you're in the shower it won't be, right? Ooh, but it's really foamy, look. I am going to try that. And it's super, super creamy. Oh yeah. It smells really good. Definitely going to try that out. Okay, so that is again more of a medium-sized product. So let's move on and see what else we have. We have Lucian. Am I saying this right? Olution. I love full size, $37, 0.5 fluid ounces. And this is Olution. And I'm trying to find the ounces. It is the full size organic, 65 ingredients. You're probably all like, what are you looking at? I'm looking at the tube, trying to read it. Break rules. This says, looking to step into your day feeling and looking as refreshed as possible. Thanks to more than 65 active organic ingredients, this detoxifying formula keeps the delicate skin around the eye area bright and smooth. Oh, I'm always looking for that. Tip: to increase the efficiency of eye love, apply with soft pats starting at the inside corner of your eye and moving towards the outside corner. Okay, well, it says anti-dark circle and puffiness, antioxidants, 100% natural. Well, that's really good. Definitely, I'm going to try that out. And that retails for $37. And then this is Odad. Okay, and if I'm not saying it right, anyway. Advanced Climate Control Restore and Revive Biphase. Full size, 6.8 ounces. This is 1.0 fluid ounces, so this is not a full size, $32. The curl experts at Odad have basically bottled a good hair day. This unique biphase treatment styler comprised of natural oils activates curl definition. Oh, well, they knew they were talking about me because I definitely have the curl and I need it. Restores shine, controls frizz, and restores 2 to 3 day old hair back to its original glory. Shake well to activate the 2 patent formulas, then mist on dry hair and scrunch to redefine. Okay, I'll definitely try that out. So up my alley. I completely need something like that. And then we have Karl Lagerfeld Plus Model Company Baked Blush and Rose Beige. So you do get some makeup. Full size is 0.1 ounces. This is 3.5 grams, 0.12 ounces, $44. Well, they must be a really good company. I've never heard of them. Interesting. Look at the little head on there. Okay, well, okay. I was watching YouTube and my phone went off. Sorry. So, this is a baked blush. Welcome to spring. This gorgeous baked blush from Karl Lagerfeld and Model Company serves as a perfect highlighter. But this is baked blush. Okay. Highlighter which will make you glow seemingly from within. Thanks to micronized pigments that brighten and highlight every complexion, you'll look natural but radiant all day long. Sweep the brush on powder on high points of the face, such as cheekbones and brow bones. Okay, so it is a highlighter. Let's swatch this baby. Here we go. It is baked. They baked it. And here we go. It's pretty. It's a very subtle kind of highlighter. I like more of a glow, but I'm assuming you could probably build that up. I don't know. You guys, let me know what you think. Kind of like loving this box so far. It's kind of eh. Let's open the other one. pray it has a few different things in there, because so far, I mean, you're definitely getting your $21 worth, but I'm gonna be giving a lot of this away. I'm just gonna put it out there. Just, yeah, because no. The eye, I'm gonna keep the eye. Definitely always looking for under my eye love. We'll try the shower gel. I will definitely try the highlighter and the hair stuff. So I'll be giving away. Well, let me see what's in the other box. Then we'll go from there. Sometimes you get a couple of different items, kind of like a box charm. They change it up. Sometimes you get the exact same thing. So we'll see. Last month I got a really good primer. I love it. It's just amazing. So you just never know. Like, this is nothing compared to that Halo highlighter. It's just like, kind of like, is there something on there? I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, so we got the second box unboxed. Same thing. We're going to open this up. And it's the same offer on here for the Cyber Aerobics, which I sure the heck am not going to do. And we got tissue. Okay, well, we have the same shit in here. Same exact thing. Let me just take them out, just to make sure, but it looks the same. So I'll probably keep the hair, and so yeah, we got the same Odad, if I said it right. If not, okay. And then we have the Olution. We got a lot of O's going on here. For the eyes, which I will use that. And then the shower gel again. This will actually be good for travel. This will be good for travel. Yes. We have the same wipes, which I'll probably give these to my sister because, again, she's got really sensitive skin. And we have the same highlighter. Let's see if it is the same color. I was hoping maybe they changed a couple items, but I don't think so. It is the same color. This will go in a giveaway. I am not going to swatch it. I will keep it separate because I don't want to put my hands on somebody else's product. That is going to go in a giveaway that will be upcoming in the future. So that is pretty much it for the glossy boxes. Usually I'm really blown away. This month I'm a little underwhelmed, but you know what? You never know, because that eye stuff, lotion or eye love really might be like mind-blowing. This eye contour. I mean, I'm really excited to use this. This alone might be worth $21, and this for my hair, definitely. So, and then my sister, I know she'll enjoy those wipes. So that is pretty much it. So that is my glossy box. I'm looking forward to my BoxyCharm. Always something new in it. And do I recommend this? Absolutely. I mean, they have phenomenal beauty care in here. And if you are like me and you are, you know, finally aging and you want to like try and prevent wrinkles naturally, without Botox or any of that, you know, glossy boxes are a great way to go. So I definitely recommend it. I know I seem underwhelmed, but you know, you never know. Hey, that eye cream could be like life-changing. So anyways, you guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure, again, the giveaway is open, reopen for the last one on Saturday. Due to the winner not contacting me, which I hate to do, but I have no choice. I have the box, and I can't just keep it. So all instructions are subscribe. Make sure you're not on private settings, because when I pick my winner, I go through my laptop. If you're not on there, you've got to make sure and check it, and then make sure you hit the little notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know, do you get Glossybox, and what do you think? What do you think? What do you think is the best thing in the box? Have you tried any of those products? Let me know down below, Give me a shout out where you're from. Always curious who's watching. We got someone from Spain and UK. I think it's just amazing. It's just great how we can come together on here. And let's keep it real. Let's keep it just on here and not out of hand. And just let's keep it real. So you guys, and then follow me on Instagram if you want, Susan Young 1974, and if you can, tag friends, share, whatever you want to do. I'm okay with it as long as we all keep it real. And I will see you guys soon on the KKW palette full review tutorial. We will go over that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.